Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you'll be fine. Students, today I'll teach you English year number 9, page number 163. Topic is framing questions. उर्दू में नहीं है सवालात की तरतीब या तश्कील. Students, now let us start. Definition of framing questions. Framing questions shape conversations, guiding focus and perspective to highlight specific aspects. Next, you have been talking about Samar and her expeditions with your class. Complete each of the following statements made in class with a tag question with its appropriate punctuation. Next, remember point number 1. The verbs in the statement and the tag question should be in the same tense. Next, point number 2. You need a comma before the tag question. Next, point number 3. Remember the negative or positive rule you have just been looking at. Next, examples. Samar is a very brave young woman. Your answer: Samar is a very brave woman, isn't she? Note the present tense in the statement and present tense in the tag, the comma and the positive statement plus negative tag. Next, sentence number 1. Samar had to face some tough challenges. इस सेंटेंस में टैग क्वेश्चन इस तरह राइट किया जाएगा, isn't she? नेक्स्ट नंबर 2 पर सेंटेंस है I don't think I could have done what she did. इस सेंटेंस में टैग क्वेश्चन इस तरह राइट किया जाएगा, isn't she? नेक्स्ट नंबर 3 पर सेंटेंस है Samar has shown a great deal of courage and determination. इस सेंटेंस में टैग क्वेश्चन इस तरह राइट किया जाएगा, isn't she? नेक्स्ट नंबर 4 पर सेंटेंस है Samar is an excellent role model. इस सेंटेंस में टैग क्वेश्चन इस तरह राइट किया जाएगा, isn't she? नेक्स्ट नंबर 5 पर सेंटेंस है People shouldn't harass Samar when she is on the road. इस सेंटेंस में टैग क्वेश्चन इस तरह राइट किया जाएगा, isn't she? नेक्स्ट नंबर 6 पर सेंटेंस है Samar must have been very proud of her achievements. इस सेंटेंस में टैग क्वेश्चन इस तरह राइट किया जाएगा, isn't she? स्टूडेंट्स, आज का लेक्चर यहाँ कंप्लीट हुआ. आई होप you will be understood this lecture. Students, kindly write down this work on your notebooks. Okay, Allah Hafiz.